Why is everyone suddenly talking about the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid? Because Toyota just took America's favorite SUV and gave it a futuristic heartbeat. This isn't just another refresh, it's a complete evolution. Imagine an SUV that gives you over 600 miles of range, sports car-like acceleration, and fuel economy that makes gas stations feel like ancient history. With a bold new design, smarter hybrid tech, and interiors that feel straight out of a luxury brand, the 2026 RAV4 Hybrid isn't just efficient, it's ambitious. So before you think about buying any other SUV in 2026, watch this, because this RAV4 might just change how you define perfect daily driver. Step inside the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, and you'll realize, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. Toyota has taken America's favorite SUV and redesigned the cabin to feel more refined, more digital, and more connected than ever before. The moment you open the door, you're welcomed by a modern, driver-focused layout. Soft touch surfaces, premium materials, and intricate contrast stitching elevate the cabin to near-luxury territory. The center console is now cleaner, with a new shift-by-wire selector freeing up space for your essentials. Everything, from the climate controls to the drive modes, is placed with precision and ease of use in mind. Whether you're driving through city streets or exploring weekend trails, this interior feels tailor-made for comfort and confidence. Front and center is Toyota's brand new digital command center, a 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster, paired with an available 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. Powered by Toyota's all-new Arene software system, it's smoother, faster, and always connected. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now wireless, and the system can update itself over the air, just like your smartphone. Every detail, from the graphics to the voice assistant, has been re-engineered to keep you connected without distraction. Comfort takes center stage. The new RAV4 Hybrid offers supportive, well-cushioned seats available in two-tone Softex or ultrasuede materials, depending on the trim. Heated and ventilated front seats are standard on higher variants, while rear passengers enjoy generous space and improved recline angles. The cabin feels open and airy, especially with the panoramic glass roof flooding light across every seat. Toyota's focus on everyday practicality hasn't been lost in the redesign. The cabin offers clever storage spaces throughout, a larger console bin, redesigned cup holders, and improved door storage. In the back, the split folding rear seats open up to a wide cargo area, perfect for road trips or weekend adventures.